I bet you didn't expect to get a message from me, RV Santa, did you? Now, normally I don't do this, but you're one of my favorite people, and I just want you to know what's going on. So brace yourself. I've got some bad news. You're on the naughty list. You are. And before you get too upset, hang on just a minute, because my goal is to change things and get you from the naughty list over to the good list. Because you know, anybody can have a bad day. Even me, RV Santa. I've done things from time to time I'm not so proud of. We can all have, like I said, a bad day. But I've been watching you, and I want you to change your ways. So let me tell you what I've seen. Yeah. Number one, I have seen when you've been out there working on your camper. You've been dumping those black tanks, doing a good job. Oh yeah. But then you take your slinky off, and where do you put it? You put it on the picnic table. Come on, people. That's not a good RVer. What's the next guy to do? Oh yeah. And then, number two, what about your little furry friends? You know, your dogs, your cats. Shoot, I've seen some of you have rabbits. Now that's why they have leash laws. And you're supposed to put your furry friend on the leash, just like I do with Dancer and Prancer and Blitzen. Even Rudolph gets a leash. So just because you think that rule applies to everybody else and doesn't apply to you, that's why I got you on the naughty list. Yes, it did. Now, something else that goes on that I have to worry about is when you're taking your garbage out, you're doing good. You're walking over there with good intentions to separate your garbage. But what do you end up doing? You just throw it all in with no sorting, not even thinking about the environment. You just go, it's going to all end up in the same place. Well, I'm here to tell you, Santa sees that, and Santa knows better. Let's save our environment and separate our trash properly to keep you off the naughty list. Yeah. And then number four, all of a sudden somebody in your camping group gets the bright idea to have a karaoke party inside your camper at 12 midnight. Who thought of that? Thinking, oh, it'll be safe. Our camper is so quiet. No, it's not. Those windows, those doors, those walls, they're thin. What were you thinking, people? Having a karaoke party. I look at my list. I'm thinking permit for camping and having karaoke parties late at night. Guess what? It's not on my good list. It's on the bad list. So let's do this. Let's work to all be good campers and improve the RV lifestyle for everybody by just doing the right thing. What's the saying? Do unto others as they'd have you do unto you. And you do that, and we're going to be all good campers. Now, before I go, guys, I want you to know something. I'm rooting for you. Yes, I am. I'm rooting for you to get on the good list. So let's get to work. And Merry Christmas! Ho, 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 ho! RV Santa says, see you on December 25th. I'll be coming down your chimney or through your door.